As the horses get ready for the Breeders' Crown here at Scioto Downs, we're ready to go to the top of the stands, and for the call of the race, here's Ed Grimsley, the voice of Scioto Downs. Ed?
It's in motion for the 1988 Breeders' Crown. They're off fan pacing Jaguar Spur and Rumpus Hanover. Rumpus Hanover is right out of the gate, and he's up to take the lead. Jaguar Spur now backs off, racing in the pocket early. Gap of 4 lengths back to Golden Greek, who came away racing third. Then it's Curra from the inside fourth, and Indian Alert is racing fifth. There goes Jaguar Spur, and he moves out of the pocket, and he's up to take the lead. Now Jaguar Spur and Richard Stillings are on the lead by a length and a half. Opening quarter is a fast one, 27-3. Now they pass us for the first time, and Jaguar Spur on the lead. Rumpus Hanover on the inside second, 2 lengths back to Golden Greek third. Indian Alert. Now he's been moved steadily from the outside fourth and is going up. And Call for Rain has picked up that live cover in fifth. Pearl on the inside sixth, and quite a sensation. He's the trailer, and he's 4 off the lead. They go by the half, and Jaguar Spur has the lead. Halfway home, 58 seconds flat. Second quarter at 30 2/5. A bit of a rest on the front end, and Jaguar Spur has the lead. Then it's Rumpus Hanover on the inside second. Indian Alert from the outside is third, and now Clint Gabra sends Call for Rain 3 wide, and he's charging up to join the leaders. Golden Greek, he's saving ground all the way. Quite a sensation, picks up the chase from 3 wide, and